Today I will be installing a smart lock by EnergyIC. They sent me this lock so I could install it and briefly review it. The package contains the rear smart lock, an extra set of mechanical keys, and all the hardware required to install this smart lock to your front door. First, I will need to remove the old deadbolt, removing the 2 screws from the deadbolt itself and the other 2 screws from the back of the lock with a Phillips head screw gun. With the screws loosened, the old deadbolt mechanical lock should just pull right out. Next, let's grab our deadbolt from the new smart lock and install that. Make sure that the up arrow is pointing up when you install it. Keep in mind this is adjustable in width from 60 to 70 millimeters. Install 2 Phillips head screws to secure the deadbolt to the door. Remove the protective plastic film over the chrome finish. Grab the front of the smart lock and run the wires under the deadbolt. Tuck the wire into the front of the latch in the groove while sliding over the back part of the smart lock. Grab 2 of the screws, line up the holes, and I like to hand tighten these in. Once you got everything lined up, go ahead and grab the screw gun or a screwdriver and tighten the screws down. Now we're going to attach the back part of the smart lock to the back part of the mounting plate. Use these 2 small screws right here. Attach the Molex connector to the back of the control board as pictured right here. When attaching the back of the smart lock up to the mounting bracket, I'm rolling up the wire a little bit so it's not hitting anything. Now that I've got this lined up, I'm going to grab my 2 small screws and install the 2 small screws at the top to the back of the mounting plate. Grab the other longer screw with the hardware provided and mount it to the bottom in the center. Make sure that all screws are hand tight. You don't want to go much more tighter than that. This smart lock does operate off of 4 AA batteries. They say that the life of the batteries will last up to 6 months.
Lock direction setting succeeded. Unlocked. Locked.
The default code to test the lock and to get into the admin is 123456. To reset the code or add your own, press this little black button.
Administrator, please enter a new password.
Enter a 6-digit password right here. You will have to enter it 2 times for it to be stored inside of the smart lock's memory.
New password again. Added successfully. Number 002.
One thing that I like about this smart lock is you can't forget to lock it after you enter or leave, as it will automatically lock for you. Thanks for watching.